Hi, in this guide I will show you how to install Canon L11121e printer on your computer. To install this driver on your computer, you will require its driver. I will show you which driver you will require. Just minimize that window. This driver you will require. You can download the driver from the video description below. You can download the same driver from the Canon's official website. Both are exactly the same drivers. So check out the video description for the download link. After downloading the drivers, just right click on it and click on extract to this folder. It will make a folder like this. Remember the location of this folder. We will use it later. We will use its basic driver. If you double click on it and go to the 64-bit folder, go to the driver, and here are the basic drivers. Just close it for now and remember the location of this folder. Let's start installing the printer with the manual settings. Click on Start button and then click on Settings. Click on Devices. Then click on Printer and Scanners. Then click on Add a printer or scanner. After that, click on the printer that I want is not listed. Click on that link. After that, choose the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on that. Click on Next. Now choose the printer port where your printer is connected right now. This is an important step, so please select the port carefully. It is recommended to select USB 001. Click on the drop down icon and click on USB 001 and then click on Next. Now it is asking for the drivers. Click on Have Disk. Click on Browse. Go to the location where we have extracted the drivers. We have extracted the drivers on our desktop, so we are going to desktop and select the location, double click on it and double click on x64-bit and go to driver and select that file CNAB4STD. Select it and click on Open. After that, click on OK. Select Canon LBP2900 driver. This is the model name of your printer and Canon L11121e is the model number of your printer. So don't get confused. One is the model number and second, this one is the model name. So both are the same, right? So select it and click on Next. Click on Next. Select the option Do not share this printer and then click on Next again. Click on Finish. Your printer has been installed, so click on Finish. As you can see on your screen, your printer has been successfully installed. Hopefully you will install this printer with the help of this tutorial. Well, that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, please click on the like button, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.